with a loving ass heart. Your dick could be mean, but your heart gotta be loving. No, for real. Damn, what's the tea? I'm trying to get cracked open like a motherfucking egg. Have you ever had this Arizona tropical chill sickle? Somebody said, "What's that noise? What's that noise?" Hold on. Can you tell me what's that noise? Can you tell me what's that noise? Let's play. What's that noise? I'm not your baby. Ooh, it smells just like one. Is that a new Arizona? Yes. I always be getting the new shit. Okay, so y'all, I got this cup from off a TikTok shop. This cup come with a lid and a straw, but I got this cup from off a TikTok shop. It's pumpkin house, pumpkin dumpling, pumpkin dumpling, pumpkin dumpling. So it's called pumpkin dumpling. It's a dumpling house cup. It's 30. It's a real cute cup, no shade. But I'm using this cup because I haven't done the motherfucking Oh yeah. It was already inside what's called I did. So this is a the flavor is tropical chill sickle. So it's like the popsicle. See? So I'm gonna try it. Mm, okay, so have y'all ever tasted have y'all ever tasted no shade? Okay, I'm gonna give you a ring. Have y'all ever tasted a Capri Sun that been frozen, right? That has been frozen and you let it sit and unthaw, right? It don't give. Yeah, that'll be the. Is it cold enough? Most drinks taste better ice cold. Yeah, it literally like it's. You don't see the condensation? The condensation on the side of the thing. Hold on. You don't see the condensation on the side of the thing? Kind of watered down. Yeah, it tastes like. It ever tasted like? Oh shit! Now y'all about to die. Hell, wanna be saved? Don't save them. God damn, I'm trying to get fucked. Have you ever tasted a kind of watered down? Yeah, yeah. Like yeah, like it's like maybe it's just this flavor. I don't really have a problem with the other Arizonas, but this one right here is kind of like I don't know. I'm wondering if I should have did like no, because they're gonna sweat up and down. It tastes like half water, half juice. Yeah, but bitch, I ain't wasting no money. How it still tastes like juice. I ain't wasting no money. How it's gonna get drunk. You should do a bun with bangs. My hair is so natural, y'all. My hair is so natural. I would flash y'all bitches. Ooh, I know my titties breathe for a minute. Y'all see them? Y'all see my titties? I'm ready to get fucked like a slut, bitch. And I'm just being honest. BJ Starry. I'm being honest. I'm being fucking honest. I'm ready to get buzzed down. I'm ready to get buzzed down. I'm ready to get cracked like an egg. I'm ready to be like this. Ooh. I'm ready to get cracked like an egg. I'm ready to get oh. Oh. I'm ready to get bust open. I'm not your baby. Wanna be? Turn the table on. Don't keep them. No pocket don't need them, ho. What's wrong? How she do it? She said, uh, 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 yeah, yeah, bow, 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 bow. Look how I quit. I quit. He don't want to be safe, no safe on him. Get some out there, on back on. White boy Jenny. I'm turning into a little hoe. That's so funny. Because I was not this freaked out as Kenn. No shade. I think I just need a nigga. One nigga to bust me open every night. I'm sorry, I'm lying because I can't even take dick. I'm lying like hell. I think I'm just trying to hype myself up. Really. I think I'm just trying to hype my... I think I'm just trying to hype myself up. I really am think I'm just trying to hype myself up because I can't take dick for real. No shade. I'm a little bitch. I'm a little bitch. You gonna be mad at me if you one of them rough ass niggas that like to... Bitch, don't come around me because you ain't clapping this pussy like that. That's crazy. Fuck around and find out. Bitch, please find out what, bitch? You trying to give me a new hole? Fuck out of here, bitch. Fuck out of here, bitch. If I know tea. If I know tea. I got a little hot, baby. Oh.